What's lamed? Just the consonant lamed when we attach it to a noun. This is the preposition to. So we've taken the preposition lamed, we've added to it the suffix, which is the third masculine singular pronoun, and what do we have? We have the prepositional phrase to him. See how this is working? Now this is a little weird at first blush because you've never seen anything like this before. The pronouns are actually being represented by suffixes. Here in the object, here is the object of the preposition. The corresponding English suffix would be the objective case, to him, so that we could use this as the object of a preposition, as we have done. What then would be la? See, this is a combination of, this is a combination of the same lamed, to, plus the pronominal suffix that is the third singular feminine suffix, so that la would be to her. All right? Notice that this hay has a dot in it. All right? That is by design. It's not a drop of the pen. That's a dot in a hay, and it's not a doggish because you couldn't have a doggish in a hay. This is called a mapik if you want to know. I'm not going to hold you to that right now. A mapik is a dot in a hay. All right? And the reason for that is it's telling you that this hay is a consonant and not a mater letter. Now actually that's helpful. That dot, see, if you saw a word ending in commas hay, your first instinct would be that it's a feminine singular noun. If the hay has a dot in it, it's the feminine singular pronoun, her. Got it? Now do you see how this works? All right, what's laka? To you. What's bak? Oh, we switched prepositions. We have another, we can use lamets, we could use base. This would be in or among you. What's ki? There's the preposition kaf, like me. No, ki means because. Right? Yeah, okay, they didn't do that one. All right? When they ran into problems like that, they made up other words, like kamoni. So there's a few variations. I don't want to confuse. I just want to show there's a few variations where they ran into problems. All right? Just to sidetrack you in case you thought this was going to be easy. What's li? Here's a better example. Li would be to me. Now we're back on track. Okay? What's ethem? Aha. All right. This is the eth that's the do marker. Now some of you are wondering, is it the preposition with, right? Have we had eth as with? No. No? Okay, good. I don't want to confuse you. That's in this lesson and we'll get to it. All right. This is the do marker attached to a pronominal suffix, which means what? This is now going to be the third plural pronoun, but it's going to be used as the direct object. See, did it ever occur to you, how are we going to say in Hebrew, I sent them? We can do I sent, but how do we do them as a pronoun? Well, in English, it's an independent word. In Hebrew, because that's the objective case, you don't have an independent word. You don't have a word for them. In Hebrew, you have a pronominal suffix, hem. By the way, what's the third pronoun? Haim. If you haven't learned that yet, we just looked at it. So again, there's some connections here so you can kind of help yourself, okay? So we have a pronominal suffix. Well, you have to attach the pronominal suffix to something, so they attach it to the do marker, which tells you that it's being used as the direct object. Well, okay, what's ethen? This would be them, feminine, plural, as the direct object. What's lakem? to y'all, right? You plural. What's baken? In or among y'all, plural, feminine. And what's othanu?